Over the year, human activities have caused several harmful changes in our surroundings. It contributes to environmental pollution. What is environmental pollution? Environmental pollution is defined as the contamination of the physical and biological components of the Earth atmosphere system to such an extent that normal environmental processes are adversely affected. Types of pollution. There are mainly 5 types of pollutions. These are air pollution, light pollution, water pollution, land pollution, and noise pollution. Air pollution. Air pollution refers to the release of harmful contaminants, for example, chemicals, toxic gases, particulates, biological molecules, etc., into the Earth's atmosphere. These contaminants are quite harmful and, in some cases, pose serious health issues. Some causes that contribute to air pollution are burning fossil fuels, mining operations, exhaust gases from industries and factories. The effects of air pollution are increased risk of respiratory illness and cardiovascular problems, increased risk of skin diseases, may increase the risk of cancer, global warming, acid rain, ozone depletion, hazards to wildlife. Water pollution is said to occur when toxic pollutants and particulate matter are introduced into water bodies such as lakes, rivers, and seas. These contaminants are generally introduced by human activities like improper sewage treatment and oil spills. Other significant causes of water pollution include dumping solid wastes in water bodies, disposing untreated industrial sewage into water bodies, human and animal wastes, agricultural runoff containing pesticides and fertilizers. Effect of water pollution. It is harmful for both the plants and animals. It is also makes people sick. Waterborne diseases like jaundice, gastroenteritis, and typhoid are caused due to the consumption of contaminated water. Land or soil pollution. The land or soil pollution is caused by dumping of solid waste such as plastic bags, glass bottles, and metal container on the land. The main sources of land or soil pollution are solid waste, refuse from mines, forest, and agriculture. Effect of land pollution. Land pollution makes the soil infertile. It harms the teeny organism living in the soil and adversely affects the growth of the plants and vegetation. Noise pollution. It refers to the excessive amount of noise in the surrounding that disrupts the natural balance. Usually, it is a man-made, though certain natural calamities like volcanoes can contribute to noise pollution. Human beings can hear the softest sound with an intensity of 20 decibels. Any sound louder than 90 decibels is harmful for human ears. Noise pollution has several contributors which include industry-oriented noises such as heavy machines, mills, factories, etc. Transportation noises from vehicle, aeroplanes, etc. Construction noises, noises from social events like loudspeaker, firecrackers, etc. Household noises, example mixture, TV, machines, etc. Noise pollution can bring about adverse effects such as hearing loss, sleeping disorders, hypertension, communication problems. Now, light pollution. It includes light trespass over illumination and astronomical interference. Light pollution is a side effect of industrial civilization. Its sources include building exterior and interior lighting, advertising, commercial properties, offices, factories, street lights, and illuminated sporting venue. Effect of light pollution are Like other forms of pollution such as air, water and noise pollution, light pollution also causes damage to the environment. It also contributes to sleeping disorder. Pollution control. It means the control of emissions and effluents into air, water or soil. Without pollution control, the waste products from consumption, heating, agriculture, mining, manufacturing, transportation and other human activities, whether they accumulate or disperse, will degrade the environment. So we must protect our environment from being polluted. I hope you all got this chapter. Stay connected. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel Sabki Pathshala.